Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add link to TikTok bio. Alright, let's begin. To add a clickable link to your TikTok bio, open the TikTok app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. From here, tap Account and choose Switch to Business Account. Tap Next through the setup steps and select a category for your account. You can skip adding an email if you want and continue to the Business Suite. From the Business Suite, scroll down and select Business Registration. Complete the registration steps, then return to your TikTok profile. Tap Edit Profile, select Links, and choose URL. From here, you can add your website or any custom link directly to your bio. If you are unable to switch to a business account, there is another option. Make sure your account has at least 1,000 followers. Once you reach this requirement, go back to Edit Profile, tap Links, and you will see the option to add a URL without switching account types. After saving your changes, the link will appear in your bio and be clickable for viewers. So that's basically how you can add Instagram on TikTok profile. That's it for this video. Thanks.